You bought a Toyota thinking you knew it. Turns out, it's been hiding secrets right under your nose. What if I told you your key fob can remote start your car with no app, no subscription, and no extra cost? Or that even a dead key fob can't actually stop you from driving away? Today, we're uncovering hidden Toyota features most owners never use but absolutely should. Quick tricks, smart backups, built-in safety tech, zero gimmicks. These aren't rumors, these are factory features already sitting in your car. From anti-theft hacks to emergency systems that can call for help automatically, this list might change how you drive forever. Stick around because feature number 1 alone surprises almost everyone. And before we dive in, hit subscribe. You don't want to miss what your car can really do. Feature number 1, the hidden remote start trick. No subscription needed. This one surprises people every single time. You've probably heard Toyota pushes Remote Connect, but here's the twist. Your key fob can start the car remotely without paying anything. It's already part of the system. Here's how it works. Tap the lock button 3 times fast. On the third press, keep holding it for around 3 seconds. The lights blink and the engine comes alive. That's all. No app, no subscription. Just you, your key fob, and a warmed-up car ready to go. This works on many newer Camrys, Corollas, RAV4s, Highlanders, Tacomas, and Tundras. Next time someone asks how you started your car from inside a coffee shop, smile and say, "It's a Toyota thing." Seriously, Toyota hid this in plain sight everywhere. Feature number 2, the dead key fob rescue mission. Talking about key fobs, what actually happens when the battery dies? Most people instantly panic. Toyota engineers, however, planned for this. First, slide the small release tab on your key fob and pull out the hidden physical key that's been there the whole time. Use it to unlock the driver's door by hand. Now here's the smart part. Push-button start still works even with a dead fob. Take the key fob, press the Toyota logo side directly against the start button, keep your foot on the brake, and press to start. The car detects the fob's weak radio signal at close range and starts right up. No tow truck, no roadside assistance call, just you carrying on with your day like a boss. Feature number 3, the hidden climate control diagnostic mode. Your Toyota can genuinely tell you what's wrong with its AC system. No mechanic, no OBD scanner, nothing except the buttons on your dash. Here's how to unlock it. Turn the ignition to on, engine off. Press and hold the auto button and the recirculate button at the same time. While holding both, turn the fan speed knob 1 click. Suddenly, your climate control display lights up with diagnostic codes. What you're seeing is your AC system's health report, sensor readings, actuator status, and any stored fault codes. You can look up what those codes mean and know exactly what's happening before you ever set foot in a shop. It's like having X-ray vision for your HVAC system. Feature number 4, windshield wiper service mode. Ever tried replacing your wiper blades and realized they're stuck halfway under the hood cowl? Frustrating, right? Toyota designed a wiper service mode to fix this exact issue. Here's the unlock sequence. Turn your vehicle off. Within 45 seconds, move the wiper stalk to the mist position. Hold it there for more than 2 seconds, the wipers will automatically move into a fully upright vertical position, totally exposed and easy to reach. No fighting them, no forcing anything, just simple access for a fast blade change. To reset, switch the ignition back on and tap the wiper once. They'll return to their normal resting spot at a slower speed on the first pass, which is the motor easing itself back after service mode. Small feature, huge convenience. Feature number 5, the hidden key slot for push-start emergencies. This is something most drivers either stumble upon by accident or never notice at all. Some Toyotas include a concealed key slot near the steering column that allows you to start the car the old-school way if the electronics decide to stop cooperating. The slot is usually covered or blended into the dash design, but your physical key fits perfectly. It's the ultimate fallback when technology lets you down. Feature number 6. Switch off adaptive cruise and get your sanity back. Adaptive cruise control is great until it isn't. You know that irritating moment when your Toyota suddenly slows down because a car 3 lanes over barely drifts into the sensor's range? Here's the fix almost nobody mentions. Press and hold the cruise control button for a few seconds, and the system switches from adaptive mode to a steady, constant speed cruise. No more phantom braking, no more slowing down every time someone merges ahead of you. Just classic set it and forget it cruising. Tundra, Tacoma, Camry, and RAV4 owners. This one's for you. Feature number 7. The key-fob sleep mode. Anti-theft hack. Worried about relay attacks? Thieves can use devices that boost your key fob's signal from inside your house to unlock and start your car. It's called a relay attack, and it's more common than most people realize. Toyota built in a simple countermeasure, power-saving mode. Press and hold the lock button until the red light flashes once. While still holding lock, press unlock twice. The light blinks 3 times, your fob is now asleep. In this mode, the fob stops transmitting, which means relay devices get nothing. To wake it back up, just press any button. Sleep easy, knowing your Toyota is actually locked. Feature number 8. Hidden storage nobody finds. If you lift up that plain floor mat in the back of your RAV4 Highlander, or even your Camry's trunk, you'll uncover a multi-level cargo floor setup. There's usually a slot for the privacy shade, tool compartments, space for a first aid kit, and sometimes an entire hidden tray system you probably never realized was there. The RAV4 even includes a secret compartment that's ideal for keeping valuables out of sight. Check under that carpet. Seriously. Feature number 9. Your safety sensors are hidden everywhere and need love. Your Toyota hides a small camera behind the rearview mirror, a radar sensor tucked behind the Toyota badge on the front grille, and even more sensors built into the bumpers. These run systems like pre-collision, lane tracing assist, and radar cruise control. Here's what most people overlook. When those sensors get dirty, fogged up, or blocked, the safety features don't work the way they should. That's why you sometimes see a safety system malfunction warning on cold mornings. The quick fix? Keep the windshield clean around the camera near the rearview mirror and occasionally wipe off the Toyota emblem on the front grille. Clean sensors work better, simple as that. Feature number 10, the SOS button. That could save your life. See that red SOS button near your rearview mirror? It's not there just for looks. Press it during an emergency and you're instantly connected to a live Toyota response agent who can dispatch roadside assistance, police, or medical help straight to your GPS location. If you're ever in a serious crash and can't press the button yourself, automatic collision notification takes over. Your Toyota calls for help on its own. It's the feature you hope you'll never have to use. But knowing it's there, priceless. Final thoughts. Here's the real takeaway. Your Toyota is smarter than you think. Every one of these features was built to make your life easier, safer, and just a bit more convenient, but only if you know they're there. So go try them. Start your car from the key fob tonight, turn on wiper service mode, run the climate diagnostics, see what's hiding under your cargo floor, and when someone asks how you knew all this stuff, tell them the owner's manual is actually pretty good. Drop a comment below. Which of these features surprised you the most? And if you know a hidden Toyota trick I didn't mention, share it. Let's build the ultimate Toyota secrets list together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. More videos like this are on the way.